RealIAS is the professional solution in photometric file creation, compatible with Windows and Macintosh. RealIAS produces optimized files usable with any 3D software. Let's see how the files are created and used with V-Ray and 3ds Max. The software has a minimalistic, intuitive user interface. On the left, we have the sliders. On the right, we see a draft preview of what happens in the render. Each slider is connected to a specific angle and controls the final light intensity. Let's start by creating a narrow light shape. To do so, we need to manipulate the first group of angles. When we are satisfied with the light, we need to press Save IAS button, and RealIAS creates the file on the desktop. Next, we need to open our 3D scene in our favorite 3D program. Assign the exported IAS file to the light emitter and start the render. With RealIAS, we can generate as many different photometric files as we need. Let's make a wider light cone. Now we need to render again. RealIAS offers preview feature for every group of angles. This way we always know which range we are manipulating. RealIAS – professional and easy way to generate photometric files for your render.